Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix music not showing on Facebook story. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you are logged in to the latest version of your profile. Let's open up the Facebook app, tap on create a story, and here you can see music. Tap on it. Now I can simply just, if I want to play a music, I can just play. But if I want to add it on my story, I can just click on it and you can see when I scroll down and you can see the music is added to my story. But if you guys is not showing the music options, all you have to do is go to Google Store and from there search the Facebook and do update your Facebook version. And this is the only way you can see music option in your Facebook stories. Hope you guys like my video.